Hey everybody, so I have another guess what's in the box video, but it's a bag. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so this is going to be another guess what's in the box video, but it's a bag. I actually don't even know what's in this, to be honest. It was sent by Ulsa Tools, North Las Vegas. I don't believe this is something I ordered. I could be wrong. I could have ordered it. I just don't remember. The bag is 9 3/4 wide by 13 3/8 long, and on this side it is 3 inches and 1/8 thick on that side. Let me know what you guys think it is. I could be wrong. I could have ordered it and I don't remember. It's definitely an Amazon packaging. But what do you guys think it is in it? I will be supplying to anybody that guesses correctly a Ulsa Tools sticker, as well as a Wrench Trench garage sticker, because I have a bunch of them. I bought a bunch of stickers from him. I figured, you know what? Instead of me holding on to them, I can give them away. What are you guys' guesses? Let me know down below in the comments. I do appreciate your guys' time hanging out with me today. Please like, comment, subscribe, smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links and my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And down in the description, at the very top of the description, I have a Ulsa Tools link with my initials on it. That was created for me from Ulsa Tools. If you guys click on that link, it will take you to Ulsa Tools website. It will give you 10% off on your first order, and it will also kick me back availability for a 10% off my next order. If you guys need socket rails, or you guys need, tools, anything that Ulsa Tool has, plier organizers or anything like that, give them a try. I do like their rails and a lot of their organization stuff. They make great stuff. Appreciate you guys' time. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!